Okay, so I've recently did a live stream where I was soldering components onto this prototype board, and I've done some more work since completing it, and I want to do some tests to see if indeed I have soldered this correctly. Now, I'm going to go ahead and the first item I want to check is see this one pin that's out. I want to make sure that that's soldered correctly. Um, and let's see if I can do this on camera. Okay, so I'm just going to put some pressure on that pin and test the pin on top. And it does look like there's connection. So that leads me to believe that that will work. Now, another thing I want to do is I want to go through and just test to see if I have any solder bridges. Um, Especially some of these worse off connections that I probably should still clean up. So this would actually be a little easier with a multimeter that had an alarm on it, but I am just going to I'm going to move that to over here. I'm going to move that over. I'm basically going to just walk down the connections. That one right there looks like I may have to put more solder on it. I will. Okay. So what is going on right here? Okay, I was just leading the probe over too much. Okay. 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 And yeah, looking at these right here, I probably need to solder those better. And that will be okay, what's going on right here? Yeah, some of these I am just not walking correctly. So that's the basis of what needs to be done to test these connections. And I'm going to go through and check out the rest. And I'm also going to check to see if I have any more that are like this one here, which, oops, sorry. This one here, where it's sticking out. I don't know if a chip will fit in there. I may have to replace this socket, but then I can also go ahead and double check to make sure the soldering points for my resistors are good. Oops. Okay, so 800 ohms, 800 ohms. Okay, there's this one, which should be about 3. Yeah, let's go down to a 2K setting. Yeah, 330 ohms. 330 ohms. 330 ohms. Okay. And the last one. Did I put the wrong resistor here? And I did. I put a I put a 400 megohm, 4.7 megohm resistor here. No. That may just be a bad soldering job. Yep, nope, that's a 350 ohm resistor. And this is why you do testing like this. Okay, I may have to fix that soldering joint, but this is just a quick video. I figured while I was doing testing, I would record it. You've seen me do similar stuff with the soldering the pin headers on my Raspberry Pi Pico, which I also did during this live stream, and I will be testing that later on. But thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.